a tree, a great big tree. Oh, glory be. Ahead of me there was a tree, a great big tree. Oh, glory be. The nearest branch was 10 feet up. I'd have to jump and trust my luck. The nearest branch was 10 feet up. I'd have to jump and trust my luck. And so I jumped into the air, but I missed that branch